Hey tribe! Welcome to my channel where I show you what life is like traveling the world and living abroad. I've officially been living in Costa Rica for almost a year now, and obviously my favorite part of living here is being in nature and seeing the wildlife. Every chance I get, I go outside and enjoy the beach, the waterfalls, and all the animals. Come with me this weekend to my surf lesson and to visit the local adventure park. It has a cool hanging bridge, a nice waterfall, and a massive alligator habitat. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Good morning. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Today we're going surfing in Sukia, and it's Ari's first time. Ari, are you nervous?
I am. I'm scared to fall.
She's scared to fall.
I don't want the waves to knock me down. It's okay. I'm gonna be a pro though. Watch. I'm gonna be like,
hey, okay, Lil' Kim.
that's exactly how I'm gonna look. Lil' Kim. Here y'all go.
Go, Eddie!
Said y'all are one. I said we are two people. Oh, that's me! Oh, dang. It's okay. It's okay. I wish she had her GoPro and going back out. I needed a break, y'all. I needed a break because me inside though. I'm trying to get my girl. Come on, Jenny. Come on, Jenny. Come on, Jenny. Come on, Jenny. It's Chico trying to get my girl. That's crazy. Jenny. Come on, Jenny. Come on, Jenny. Yeah. She got body yaddy yaddy.
It's a great day.
It is a great day.
Be up at 8 a.m. on the beach.
It's feeling like an adventurous day. It's feeling like I want to go jet skiing.
You do? All right, maybe.
It's feeling very adventurous today.
It is?
It is.
All right, well, let's ask them.
And they probably gonna give us a deal because we already went surfing. Hopefully he like us enough, like Chloe enough.
Right, why you trying to...
He trying to.
Last week, we visited the Butterfly Cafe where we had a nice brunch and we watched the monkeys and butterflies wander around. Today, we're going right next door to see the other animal habitats, the hanging bridge, and the waterfall. The monkeys are still in the shelter, y'all. I think I'm getting too close to them, y'all. Oh, they have a koi fish pond down here. Need some chunky koi fish. You gonna steal your stuff? Going on a trail in Costa Rica. We're gonna be passing crocodiles, monkeys, all kinds of animals and birds because we want to go to this waterfall and a hanging bridge. So we're taking this trail. It costs $15 per person to go on this trail, and yeah, I can't wait to see everything. We are there. We're gonna walk. Is that a zip line? This is the name of a beautiful butterfly garden that we went to the other day. Look, here's a butterfly right here. Beautiful in there. Ooh, a big blue one just flew away. We're not here for the butterflies. We are here for... Alright, let's go see the crocodiles. We're here for the waterfall, to be honest.
Why are you stopping like that? Like it's gonna come through.
I'm still scared.
No.
I think they real.
Eyeballs or nothing.
I think that's their tactic. Then they come snap at you. I don't know.
Now she wanna call.
Who, your mom? They go to turtles. I want a turtle so bad. He's just trying to be real still so he can scare us. Something gonna crawl in his mouth and he gonna snap it.
Look at that.
You see his neck moving?
Look, Mom. Okay, what you about to eat? I don't know.
He was camouflaging. This is where we wanna go. You see him?
Oh, I see it now.
He trying to be hella still.
Yeah.
We already see you, buddy. Just come on out. Look how large these leaves are. Seeing stuff like this is just mind-blowing. Like, it's so many monsteras on that one branch. You got the vines coming down. I always love seeing the trees with the thick roots like this. Like, girl, you is not about to knock me over. It's the little vine up there with the loop-de-loop. Mistake number one, we definitely should have wore some bug spray. And I thought about it before we left. I said I'm gonna put some on, but of course we were rushing, so we forgot. Bug spray or some longer sleeve breathable clothes, because these mosquitoes and these bugs, they're not coming to play.
Girl, I know you are. That's why I brought my stuff so I can stay out. I knew you was gonna go back in the house. You always want to be in the house.
You a dirty bug.
First of all, we done plenty of times we done been outside all day. You trying to play me talking about I'm a dirty bud. I'm not an itchy girl like her. Trying to enjoy the rainforest. She's trying to go back inside. Boo. Here is the map again.
Okay, we made it to the hanging bridge. Sissy that walk. She done had hers. And that's word to Jiggly Caliente.
Huh?
I said, and that's word to Jiggly Caliente.
Period.
Yeah. 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 Don't play with her. Because it's in her, not on her. And if you don't know who that is, now you do. Now you know.
Words you can't say in class. One of them was, the first one was Hoochie Coochie.
Not
Sexy
Hoochie
Red
Coochie.
replied and said, why am I on the first one? Why would you want them kids to say that in class?
This turtle is looking right at me. He want me to leave. I'm disturbing him. And this alligator just waiting on me to come down there. I ain't coming, buddy. There's another turtle. Bathing right over there.
Look.
Dang.
I don't know what he is. He's somebody daddy.
He is huge.
We actually at this like butterfly cafe where it's like cafe food. I'm like, you know, he could just twist your whole body up.
His head is like the size of my cat.
Bigger.
And Zion is bigger.
To me, that says 5 pounds.
Eric, go on.
You
Coming?
Mm-hmm.
For real? Come on.
Janet said, death do us part. Girl. Woo, shit.
Right? Eric, come on. Out here.
Photo Virgo experience.
I have never been on a hanging bridge. This is my first hanging bridge experience. Wow, this is crazy.
Girl. Woo! I'm shaking in my boots.
Shaking the table.
I knew I shouldn't have got on this thing with her. It's so far. Oh my Lord Jesus. Woo!
Almost there. It's almost there.
Girl, she got that drop. Flashback to our first trip in Costa Rica. Cause wait. Oh my God. Oh my God, what is that?
Oh my God, what is that?
Spider webs on here. I don't do spiders, y'all. Shit.
We're almost done.
I started leaning too much to the right. I got nervous. What the hell, Barry?
This is like what they do zip lining from.
Yeah. Girl, we're not supposed to be over there. So I'm not going over there.
They look like little things to walk upon. Inside, oh yeah, they open. I don't know what that
Watch your step at all times.